Namaste friends, we have learned quite a lot of writing till now from tutorial number 21 to tutorial number 25, and we have already learned 8 vowels and 12 consonants. Today we are going to learn the next 2 vowels. After this we will have completed all the vowels. So the next 2 vowels are O and O. Okay. O, O. In the same way that I told you that this alphabet has 2 pronunciations. One was A, like in cat, and other was I. Okay, these are the IPA symbols. Okay, this also has 2 pronunciations, not actually 2 pronunciation, regional variations. So you will hear O and you will also hear OU. Okay, so O, O. Now to write them along with a consonant, for example, take the example of N. To write them along with a consonant, here we add a vertical line and a maatra above. We add a vertical line and 2 matras above. Okay, so this becomes no and this becomes no. Okay, no, no, O, O. And please don't confuse between no and ne. Okay, and no and ne. Remember that the consonant n plus a is ne. Okay, and consonant n plus o is no. Sorry, is no. Similarly, the consonant n plus a, here it's ne and here it's okay. So ne, ne, no, no. Now let's have a look at some words that we can write with O and O sound. Okay. So the first word that I would like to tell you is ho. Very frequent. We always used to say tum kaise ho, tum mere dost ho. So ha, ho. Now it's ho. And with O we can form many words, like one is or means and. It also means more. Okay, so in later classes we'll learn how to use the or in the form of more. Now we can say no. Do you remember what is no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 is no. Similarly, saw. What is saw? Saw is 100. So saw. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. This becomes 900. Okay. So ho, no, or saw. ¿Qué más? औरत. ऐसी की तैसी. औरत. Now, what does औरत means? औरत means a woman. ठीक है. औरत. औरतें. The plural of औरत is औरतें. बहन बहनें. किताब किताबें. औरत औरतें. पुस्तक पुस्तकें. औरतें. विमेन. ठीक है. Some words with O. S O N M. सोनम. म ओ ह न. Mohan. Sonam is a feminine name and Mohan is a male name. So I can say Sonam और मोहन दोस्त हैं. Sonam and Mohan are friends. ठीक है. सोनम और मोहन दोस्त हैं. और and हैं because plural. We are talking about plural, so we use हैं with a nasal vowel. Now we can say सोनम और सोनल औरतें हैं. So here we see that in the case of plural we have used हैं, and औरतें means women, and सोनम और सोनल औरतें हैं. सोनम and sonal are women. There is one more word for women, which is mahila. औरत is an Urdu word and mahila is a Hindi word, although we use the word औरत more commonly. So mahila. And the plural similarly would be mahilaएं. Mahilaएं. Here you see that we have used the raw form of A. Now, why is it so? Because here we have two consecutive vowels. A, and A. We have two consecutive vowels, and whenever we have consecutive vowels, we have to write the second one, or if we have three consecutive vowels, we have to write the second and third one in the raw form, in the crude form. Okay, so we have written the A sound in the crude form. ठीक है. So हम महिलाएं हैं. So हम महिलाएं हैं. We are women. In every case we could have used mahila instead of औरत, like सोनम और सोनल महिलाएं हैं. The meaning is same. ठीक है. त तू तुम कैसे तुम कैसे हो. ठीक है. तुम कैसे हो is how are you to a male person. Okay, if you are asking to a female person, you will use कैसी. ठीक है. Similarly, take this example. तुम मेरे दोस्त हो. मेरे or मेरी. हो. ठीक है. You are my friend. Now with these vowels, we have learnt writing all the conjugated forms of hona. Hona. In the present indefinite form. In the present indefinite tense. हूँ, मैं हूँ, तू है और ये है और वो है. Then तुम हो, and then the plural one. आप हैं, हम हैं, ये हैं, वो हैं, जो भी हैं. ठीक है. Here we finish this short lesson. In the upcoming lessons, I will bring some. I hope you learn it quick. In the upcoming videos, I will bring some conversations, some audios. In the upcoming videos, I will add audios of real conversations which you will have to listen and then see the lesson. It will be exciting, so stay tuned. हम फिर मिलेंगे जल्दी ही. चलते हैं. Bye bye.